Wait a second, 2 videos in 1 week? What? Let's go. Hey designers, what's going on? My name is FimeMD and I'm a UX UI designer in Toronto. And today I'm going to make a very short video if I can make that possible. It's going to be about icons, UI icons. Do I design my icons or do I use a website for my icons? Well, the answer is, if you have guessed it correctly, that means you have pretty much watched all my videos. And yes, I use a website for my icons, like search icons, anything regarding UI icons, I use a website. And there are 2 websites that I use and I have been using for probably say about 10 years now. And let me show you what they are. All right, so now there are 2 websites that I have been using, like I said, for almost 10 years. Number 1 is the Noun Project. This is my number 1 favorite icon websites. It's my go-to website and I use it literally every day because I design every day. And number 2, if there is something that I cannot find here, by something obviously I mean icons, I will go right here, the Icon Monster with the R at the end, weird spelling. I will definitely have both of them linked in description below, obviously. They are free. You can pay for a membership if you like. I mean, that would be great. So you can search anything you want here. So let's just type C-A-R-C-H. Oops, there we go. Search. It's kind of weird because the mic's right here. So I'm trying to, anyways. Search, and then you can also go here and click search as well. So as you can see, you have these icons, all of them regarding search. Let's click on this and you have the file type: PNG, PSD, EPS, and SVG. For crying out loud, please download the SVG, because when a developer will ask you for the icons, they're not going to ask you for the PSD or PNG or even EPS. If they do not work with them, believe me. Give them the SVG. You can even customize these icons and make sure to save them as SVG so the developers can work with it when they code. So now all you have to do here for the Icon Monster is click agree and download, and then you'll see your file pop up. Come on, there we go. See, open or save, that's pretty much it. This one is a little bit of restriction. This is the Noun Project, so you click on your icon that you like. Get this icon, you have to register, and when you register, I might take this to actually Chrome because I have it logged in there. So bear with me for literally in 1, 2, 3. Come on, friend. It's supposed to be a short video. Let's go. Okay, right here. So since I'm already logged in, as you can see here, so click on get this icon, basic, and then obviously SVG. Please don't be that guy. Boom, done. And that is it. So there you have it. Those are the 2 websites that I've been using it every single day, and they are my go-to websites. So I hope you can find them useful as much as I have found them useful for the last close to 10 years. You know what? Let's just call it 10 years. If you have any questions downloading icons, or you have any more questions regarding icons, comment below and I will give my 2 cents. Until then, I'll see you guys in another video. I think this was a short video. I think so. This is probably the shortest video I've ever created. Okay, peace out. The reason why my hand is always like this is because there's a mouse right here. I have this mouse. Yeah, that's what I like to do. That's why you always see my hand like that. Yeah, so first off, thank you so much for helping me reach over 2,000 subscribers. I think I'm currently at where am I? Yeah, so I'm currently at 2,139 subscribers. That's insane. In the last 28 days, I reached 678 subscribers. Therefore, there's a lot of new guys out here who are watching my channel. So thank you to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and the OGs, I got you. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm wearing my favorite t-shirt, by the way. It's the Dragon Ball Z shirt. Yeah.